It takes only half a minute to record a cough and send it to researchers through social media. Inspired by research at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the US, which found that the damage of the lungs caused by the coronavirus could be recognized through coughs. More than 200 Vietnamese technicians, researchers, and AI experts developed their own project to detect the presence of the virus. The research group aims to use AI technology to diagnose COVID-19 through coughs, breathing sounds, and other epidemiological information. The project is now in its second phase of compiling sound data.
We received more than 1,000 recordings in the week after we launched the project. More than 3,000 have now been sent. We is short of our target of 5,000, particularly of COVID-19 patients and their F1s, F2s, and F3s.
We have encountered a lot of difficulties, including complying coughing data from COVID-19 patients and their F1s. As our second phase will finish in less than a week, we hope to receive more support and collect 100 more recordings from COVID-19 patients.
If the technicians can make a success of the project, it will be a low-cost COVID-19 screening measure that can be carried out on a large scale and ease the burden of pool testing.